Hey crafty people, I have a design team package and whoa, I am excited. All right, first let me tell you, they are having a back to school giveaway at ASC Supplies. So if you want to pause the video and take a look, they're giving away a $25 gift certificate and they want to see photos of the goodies you ordered from them. Post them on Facebook or Instagram, then tag them at ASC by Crystal. Picture submission deadline is September 7th at midnight. Drawing will take place on September 10th. Photos must be of purchase made at ascsupplies.etsy.com between July 1st and August 31st. So, yeah, check it out. Great giveaway. That sounds like lots of fun and an easy way for you to potentially win. All right, let's start with, and some of this is design team package and some of it is purchase, that I made. And if you're curious, these are silicone, I don't know what specifically, but they're for my arthritis in my thumbs and they like hold it tight and it feels better. So that's what that is. All right, so these are 49th and Market. And they're called Garden Seeds Watermelon. And I thought this was a nice color and it will go probably with some of the papers that I picked. Here's a light pink. And then I love this light shade of like burlap. So check out all their flowers. They have all tons of colors over there. All right. I ordered this and I actually thought it was going to be bigger, and I am thrilled that it's not, that it's the smaller size. So it's 2 different shabby chic metal door plates and knobs. Awesome. All right. Then I got this. Let's have a look at this. Teddy Bear Picnic by Hunky Dory. Look at these. I bought this thinking I would make a journal out of this. But there's enough. I could probably make a journal and a mini album. Look how stinking cute these are. These would be great for cards too. And there's girly ones and more boyish ones. Super cute. So this is 144 pages featuring 24 different images of timeless teddy bears. I also got this Teddy Bears Picnic, and these are called luxury inserts. And I'm pretty sure these are to make cards with. So let's have a look. Okay. Let's see. Includes 16 different designs. So they are A4 coordinating inserts for cards. So, yeah, I'm going to fold these in half. And these will be for journals. They will be absolutely perfect. Look at these. They have teapots and teacups. This actually is way better than I expected. I love it. So cute. Yeah, this is going to be perfect for a journal. Oop, I missed one. That one. I'm working on a journal right now, so I'm kind of in journal mode, which was good. So cute. I can imagine that being like a journal for a mom that's, you know, as her baby is growing. All right. Picked up a couple more of the Stamperia rice paper. It's just so gorgeous, and that way I have it on hand, so when I want to alter some bottles or jars or something, I have them. And they're very, very reasonably priced. So, all right. So, I already had a pack of this, and I wanted another one. So that, because you get 10 double-faced sheets with Stamperia, and I was pretty sure I was going to want more. But this is everything that you get. Let me go ahead and open it up, because I know a lot of you like to see. I like to see it too. So let's just go ahead and give it a look. So this is the last page with the script letters. And then we've got this. I love this really scripty font, and then the distressed drops on it. I love it. We got this page. And we got this page with lines on it. Look how beautiful. Then you've got those cut aparts. Look at this page. So pretty, pretty, pretty. And then you've got this envelope cut apart, and these circles, and then those rectangles. And then these tags. More cut aparts, more scripty writing. This is going to make a beautiful journal. Okay, so this is called Letters and Flowers. And then this other one, this is called Dream, and I've worked with this collection already. This is what I used for my altered Tim Holtz stamp box, and I made a layout. Oh, I like to save these. Okay, there we go. All right, so I've already shown this, but for those of you who want to see it, missed it last time. So that's the back, and it's got this cool, like, faux stitching on it. Beautiful, beautiful shabby colors. All those cut aparts there. Look at that. So, yeah. That is my design team haul from ASC Supplies. So much goodness. I will link everything in the description box down below. Go check them out. It's just an amazing place to shop. Trust me, guys. I always like to share the great places where I pick stuff up. So here we go. Stay tuned, and I'll have some great stuff coming up. Thanks. See you soon.